Hi, my name is Michaela Harris. I'm an owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing. I wanted to take just a few minutes today to show you what we see when we pull up your business on Google and what you could be doing to help gain more clients or ultimately just make your business look more professional to potential clients. Now first, when I pull up your shop name, I see that you do have a Google My Business profile and that you do have really great reviews and a really great rating. This is going to help gain some trustworthiness with potential clients. Now, I do see that you have a website, and ultimately, it's fairly decent. However, I did notice there are a few typos on this website, as well as a lot of missing content that could help you with looking professional compared to your competitors. Now, when I look up tattoo shops in Chattanooga, I see you as number 3 in the map section, which is good. It means that you're beating out most of your competitors in the area, and this is going to be one of the first things people see when they Google looking for a shop in their area. Now, the next section is called the organic section. And this is the second place people are going to look. They're going to see the most trustworthy websites up here first, who Google thinks is the most relevant for that search. I'm not seeing your website. The other thing is they look for ads, which can show up at the top or the bottom of that search engine page. Now when I pull up your website onto this tool we call Ahrefs, which is how we compare what you have compared to what your top competitor has and how we know what to go after, I'm seeing that we have no organic keywords. This is likely why your website is not ranking on that first page. There's also a low number of backlinks and domains. So if I look up your competitor, I can go after a lot of the things that they have. So they have more backlinks, more domains referring to them, and I can go and I can get those same domains, those same backlinks, and stronger backlinks that'll help beat out the competition. And if you look, they have 1.5 thousand organic keywords. If we look to find out what that is, we can see that if someone searches Chattanooga Tattoo, 700 people are searching that every month, and your competitor, Mainline Tattoo, is ranking number 1 for that, meaning they're the first thing that's going to pop up. For tattoo shops in Chattanooga, they're number 2. For Chattanooga tattoo shops, they're number 1. So if you see this is 700 a month, 1,600 searches a month, 400 searches a month. These are all potential clients. These are all potential people that could be clicking on your website and coming to your shop. Now, I understand that in some cases, you get enough clients that you can't handle anymore. A website that's built correctly is going to allow you to show who the artists are that work there, what their specialties are, how far in advance they're booked. This is going to help filter out some of those clients and help cut down on how many phone calls you get. It's going to help people understand what your shop does, the services that are offered, the types of tattoos that each artist specializes in, and ultimately it's going to help you with filtering out who is coming into your shop. So not only will it help you get customers, it'll help you get customers that are reliable and that are serious about what they're looking for. If you notice, the traffic per month that could come across your competitor's website is 1.5 thousand. If we look at yours, we're getting 0. The value of that traffic is very good. So knowing that you would have the potential to get more customers, expand if you chose to, or simply help market your business a little bit better so that people would see what your shop is about and what your specialties are. This is going to ultimately help you look more professional in the eyes of people in your area and bring you in more business and help your business grow. So ultimately, I hope that this video helps give you a little bit of knowledge that you can walk away with, and it's going to help your business. even if you choose not to use our services. However, we do offer many services such as on and off page SEO, which is search engine optimization. It's what I'm showing you here. And the other service we offer is optimizing your business profile. So you were ranked number 3. We could optimize this a little more and help you get to the number 1 position in the maps. We offer many services and we tailor them specifically to each business. So if you're interested, I hope that you reach out to me and allow me to learn more about your business so that we can create you a custom tailored plan of attack that will ultimately help your business. We can tailor all of our services to exactly what you need. Thank you in advance for your time. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you'll be reaching out to us soon. Thank you.